Hey guys, welcome to my vlog and you're watching Prithvi Nivasi. In today's episode, I'm going to show you a 3 BHK with fully loaded amenities and the project name is Provident Well Worth City. Just 15 minutes drive from Manyata Tech Park. And one good thing that I would want to tell you is that if you are paying 25,000 rent every month, then immediately stop paying the rent. Yes, इमीडिएटली स्टॉप कर दो क्योंकि ये फ्लैट है 38 लाख्स का. ये 3 BHK इज जस्ट 38 लाख्स. अगर आप इसका डाउन पेमेंट 20% भी करते हो अराउंड 7 लाख्स, देन यू जस्ट नीड टू पे द EMI फॉर 25,000 एवरी मंथ. तो रेंट देने के बजाय आप EMI भरो और फ्लैट अपने नाम कर लो. ये ब्रांड न्यू फ्लैट है विद ऑल द एमिनिटीज़ ज़रूर चेक कर लेना और फ्लैट भी मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ. तो स्टे इन द वीडियो, लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, एंड इफ़ यू आर न्यू काइंडली सब्सक्राइब immediately. So let us start and explore the whole project. The moment we cross this toll on Dodbalapur main road, hardly 5 minutes after the bus stop, on the left hand side, we find Provident Well Worth City. तो जैसे ही हम लोग Provident Well Worth City के अंदर घुसे तो सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स वेर अवेलेबल, दे चेक्ड अस, एंड जैसे हम जा रहे हैं अंदर मुझे पता चला कि ये प्रॉपर्टी इट्स अबाउट 41 acres completely and the construction was started in 2010 March. And this comprises of 3,360 flats which was constructed in just 4 years time. And the 3 BHK flat that I'm going to show you was never used till today. It was just kept for investment, and now is the time that my client feels that it should be disposed and taken forward. Right behind this clubhouse, I'll take you to show you some landscaping and the amenities area. So let us explore some amenities area. This is the swimming pool, large swimming pool, which I really liked it, but right now there is no water. Looks like as if there's some work, changing of water or some kind of work going on in swimming pool, and this is the landscape right opposite the pool. So guys, just imagine if you get a 3 BHK for 38 lakhs and the kind of amenities that you are looking at this moment, is it worth or not? Do let me know in the comment section. But if I had 38 lakhs, definitely I would go for this property because the kind of amenities I'm looking at, I've just seen this kind of scenario only on 5-star hotels and big resorts. So this nevertheless looks better than any resort for me at this moment. गाइस, कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि अगर ये मुंबई होता तो क्या होता, इस जगह का प्राइस क्या होता. मुझे ज़रूर बताना, कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना. अगर ये मुंबई होता और ऐसे अमेनिटीज़ होते तो व्हाट वुड बी द प्राइस. आई एम सीरियसली सोल्ड विद दिस प्रोजेक्ट. दिस इज़ जस्ट अमेजिंग. तो गाइज़, अभी मैं फ़िलहाल बस स्टॉप के पास आ गया हूँ. मेरा मतलब है अंदर एक इस लोकेलिटी के अंदर देयर इज़ अ बस स्टॉप वेयर पेरेंट्स कम एंड कलेक्ट देयर चिल्ड्रंस. देयर इज़ अ डेडिकेटेड बस स्टॉप वेयर द स्कूल बसेस comes and drops the children in a certain waiting area and the parents come and collect the children from that place. और मैंने एक और चीज़ गौर करी कि यहाँ का pathways and the walking pathways and the jogging tracks are very clean and neat and ample space to walk. लगता ही नहीं कि ये प्रोजेक्ट 10 साल पहले बना है. वैसे कंस्ट्रक्शन इज़ अ मीडियोकर कंस्ट्रक्शन. So now is the time to get to the flat and see what is there for us to look at the flat. Though this flat is never given to any tenants, it was kept as an investment and never ever given. From last 4-5 years, the owner had kept this with them for investment and never given it for any tenants. So it is an unused flat, brand new flat for you. And this is the living room view. This overlooks the lake. So this flat, there are very few flats which has a privilege to have a view of lake. This is the living area, and there you see the lake from the living. And right next to the main door, the moment you enter, on the right hand side there is a kitchen. This is the dining area, dedicated dining area, and ventilation for the dining area. The ceiling is good height, and just the moment you enter, on the right hand side there is a kitchen, and the woodwork is not done. This is the ventilation for the kitchen, and right below you can get your woodworks done. And just next to the kitchen is a utility which also has a window for the ventilation, and there's a provision for washing machine here. So after the kitchen we come to the living. The moment we take a right, we get into the dining area. This dining is little dedicated dining area here, and after dining we see on the right side, this is a common toilet, quite spacious, not very big and not very small as well. And on the left hand side, this is the first bedroom, well lit, good ventilation, and overlooks the lake again. So as I said, there are very few flats having this privilege to look at the lake, and this is one of the flat, brand new, never given to any tenant till today. And whoever buys this property will have a first entry to this house. And that's again the main door of the property. So now we head towards the second bedroom, and this second bedroom has a balcony where we can step out of the house to the balcony and we can look at the beautiful view of the lake again. And this is going to remain all your life, this open area. There's no building going to come right in front of the balcony and cover it any which ways. And that's the pathway below. So once we've done with the second bedroom, now we are entering the third bedroom. The third bedroom has a window which overlooks the lake again, and it has an attached toilet. So that's the window you can see. From there again you have a view of the lake again. So every room and the living area and dining, whichever area you go, you can find this view from this apartment exclusively. So this is a 3 BHK apartment. Do let me know if you're interested. This brand new property, I would be interested. I would be happily giving you the owner's phone number directly when you give me a call. So guys, thank you for watching this south facing 3 BHK apartment, which is approximately 1100 square feet. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel as much as possible, and we'll meet up with yet another video.